The Photographer's Toolbox by Pix.com. Strong, clear and double-sided tape is the best kind. It'll help you keep your products in place. 2. Fishing line. Fishing line works wonders if you're shooting jewelry or other small products that need a little help standing upright. You can always remove it in post-production. If you don't have fishing line, use a thin white string. 3. Glue dots. Glue dots are a great addition to tape, particularly when you're working with small products. They're almost invisible and hold pretty well. If you're shooting on a model or mannequin, clothespins, pegs are an easy way to improve the fit of the garment. If you're shooting clothing, have a bunch of hangers lying around to keep your products in pristine condition. Have a pair of small scissors lying around to help you cut any loose threads. Ripping them off may ruin the fabric. If you're using fishing line, small scissors will make cutting it a lot easier. 6. Scissors. Your fabrics should be wrinkle-free and in great condition. Make sure your clothes are properly ironed before you shoot, and in case of any last-minute wrinkling, keep an iron close by. 7. Iron. If you're doing on-hanger shots, you'll need some hooks to hang your items on. Decorative hooks are nice, but having some non-damaging hooks allow you to shoot anywhere without worry. They can also make your shoot more organized and will work great if you have a small amount of. 8. Hooks. Safety pins are for the smaller adjustments that a clothespin is too bulky for. They're easily hidden and can be used to hold creases or folds in place while you shoot. 10. Clamps. Clamps are a great way to hold up your sweeper reflector. They'll come in handy whenever tape and pegs aren't strong enough. Last but certainly not least, make sure you have spare batteries and chargers for any and all electronic components you may be using. 11. Batteries. Chargers. Hungry for more e-commerce tips, tricks? Sign up to our newsletter. Click here.